In the fast-evolving world of cryptocurrency, even a single line of code can signal a seismic shift. Recently, the Pi network community was stirred by the discovery of a JavaScript file containing a pegged value of 314159. Many believe this figure represents a stablecoin tied to a fixed value of $314,159 USD. Far from being arbitrary, this number echoes the mathematical constant pi, the very symbol of the Pi network. This article explores the implications of this potential stablecoin, its relationship with Pcoin, and how it could reshape the Web3 landscape. The speculation began when Twitter user @LikeFollowBro revealed a JavaScript file showing a pegged value of 314159. In the crypto world, such discoveries are rarely dismissed as coincidence. The number is not only mathematically significant, but also symbolically aligned with Pi network's identity. If this code indeed signals the launch of a stablecoin, it suggests Pi network is preparing to introduce a fixed-value digital asset with a bold valuation. This could mark a turning point in the project's evolution from experimental mining app to full-fledged financial ecosystem. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to a stable asset, typically fiat currencies like the US dollar. They offer a solution to the volatility that plagues most crypto assets, making them ideal for transactions, savings, and decentralized finance applications. However, a stablecoin pegged at $314,159 is unprecedented. It's not just a financial tool, it's a statement. Such a valuation implies exclusivity, ambition, and a potential redefinition of what stablecoins can represent in the crypto economy. Pcoin is the native currency of Pi network, mined by millions of users through a mobile app. For years, these pioneers have accumulated Pcoin with the hope that it would one day hold real-world value. The emergence of a high-value stablecoin could be the catalyst that brings Pcoin into mainstream utility. If the stablecoin becomes a transactional or reserve asset within the Pi ecosystem, it could enhance liquidity and usability for Pcoin. This would open doors to peer-to-peer commerce, decentralized applications, and broader adoption across global markets. Web3 represents the next phase of the internet, one that prioritizes decentralization, user ownership, and blockchain-based infrastructure. Pi Network's mobile-first approach and inclusive mining model have positioned it as a gateway to Web3 for millions of users worldwide. A stablecoin with a fixed value could strengthen Pi Network's role in this ecosystem. It could be used in smart contracts, decentralized finance platforms, and digital marketplaces, reinforcing Pi Network's commitment to building a user-centric digital economy. According to @LikeFollowBro, the stablecoin will occur when CT announces it, likely referring to Pi Network's core team. While no official confirmation has been made, the community is abuzz with anticipation. If the announcement comes soon, it could signal Pi Network's transition from testnet experimentation to full mainnet deployment. This would be a defining moment for the project and its millions of global users. A stablecoin pegged at $314,159 would undoubtedly attract attention from investors, developers, and analysts. Its unique valuation could create a perception of prestige and potential profitability, driving interest and speculation. However, challenges remain. Regulatory compliance, technical scalability, and market integration must be carefully managed. Pi Network will need to ensure that the stablecoin is not only valuable but also secure, transparent, and widely usable. Pi Network continues to defy expectations in the crypto space. With a strong community, visionary leadership, and innovative technology, it has become a symbol of hope and possibility. The rumored $314,159 stablecoin, if launched, could be a bold step toward redefining digital finance. For early adopters who have mined Pcoin from the beginning, this could be the moment they've been waiting for. For the broader crypto world, it may mark the beginning of a new era, one where stability, value, and decentralization converge. In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies, new ideas constantly emerge, but only a handful managed to capture the imagination of both the public and industry insiders. One such phenomenon is Pi Network, a project that began as an experiment in making cryptocurrency accessible to everyday people through mobile mining. Over the years, Pi Network has grown into a community of millions of pioneers across the globe, all united by the promise of a digital currency that could become truly inclusive. From the very beginning, Pi Network differentiated itself from other cryptocurrencies by lowering the barrier to entry. Instead of requiring expensive mining rigs or deep technical expertise, it allowed users to mine tokens simply by tapping a button on a mobile app. While some critics dismissed the model as overly simplistic or even gimmicky, the viral growth of the community suggested that there was a genuine appetite for a more approachable kind of cryptocurrency. Now, Pi Network has once again captured headlines and the imagination of the crypto world, with talk of a new stablecoin uniquely priced at $314,159. The choice of number is not accidental. It directly references the mathematical constant pi, 3.14159, a symbolic figure that has been the project's namesake since its inception. By anchoring the stablecoin to this quirky yet highly recognizable number, the developers seem to be blending mathematical symbolism with economic experimentation in a way that is unusual even in the crypto industry. The announcement, or rather the speculation surrounding this announcement, has set off a flurry of conversations across social media platforms, online forums, and crypto news outlets. Supporters hail it as a bold and innovative step that could give Pi Network a unique identity among the sea of digital currencies. Skeptics, however, caution that the idea raises more questions than answers. How would such a stablecoin be backed? Would it maintain stability like other pegged assets such as USDT or USDC? And perhaps most importantly, what practical purpose would this specific pricing model serve in real-world economic terms? Whether it represents a genuine breakthrough or simply another headline-grabbing experiment, Pi Network's rumored $314,159 stablecoin has become one of the most talked-about developments in the cryptocurrency world today.